Want to make attractive and simple designs to upload on your Zazzle just by using your smartphone? So let me show you these two applications. The first one is Type Image app, and you can get this amazing application from App Store or from Google Play. The second one is so-called Pixel Lab, text on pictures, and you can get that also from your Google Play. And each single application has its rule. And as for Pixel Lab, through it you can get your transparent background of your designs, while this Type Image app plays the main role to create your attractive designs to upload on your Zazzle. So let me show you how to do that in this simple tutorial. Let's go. And after downloading both applications, Pixel Lab and Type Image app, so let's go first to this amazing app, Pixel Lab, to get your transparent background of your designs as I said before. So go to the lower panel and select transparent and remove this text. Now save your transparent as an image, save to gallery. Perfect. And now let's go together to Type Image to create your attractive designs. And now let's get started and upload our transparent background. Allow. Gallery. This one. Okay. And now click over this text. And just remove this sentence, and you can insert here your quote, your sayings to make your text-based designs. So we can type here something like I love my Pernese mountain dog and books. Okay, perfect, done. And now go down below to this panel and click over this A icon, and here you'll find a bunch of beautiful styles to create your text-based designs, like this one for example. Click again. As you see, I love my Pernese dog and books. Perfect. And let's jump to the next style. Okay, the next one. To get your suitable and attractive design, the next one about that. Perfect. This one, or this style. Perfect. This stack, beautiful design, or this one, and so on and so forth. And here in this application you can create over 200 designs with different styles from the same quote or the same text. Okay, and so you can go back to this one. I love it. Perfect. And now we can go to this feature to add some colors to your design. As you see, color palettes, beautiful ones, some coordinate colors, as you see, red and yellow with different positions. By clicking again over the same palette, like this one, some gradient colors. Perfect. As you see, and here you can add some features, and of course you can turn words, just you can move it upwards, to left, to right, and so on. Perfect. And when you are done, here in this free version, you can download this design in a PNG transparent background with these dimensions, medium dimensions. And now we can save to photo gallery, and now you can click over save to photo gallery. That's it. And to enlarge your designs to higher dimensions, I recommend for you this wonderful website, that is simpleimageresizer.com. Here you can upload your design and select dimensions. Okay, and then insert your dimensions like 1000, 1000, 4000, and so on and so forth, and download your new dimensions. Or this wonderful website, that is imagelarger.com. imagelarger.com. Here, by artificial intelligence, you can upscale and enlarge your design without any quality loss, and you can use that for free. And to that end, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. See you in the next video.